This is the third episode in the equals mc2 Algebra for the summer series.
There's antimony, arsenic, aluminum, selenium, and hydrogen and oxygen and nitrogen and rhenium, and nickel, neodymium, neptunium, germanium, and iron, americium, ruthenium, uranium, europium, zirconium, lutetium, vanadium, and lanthanum, and osmium, and astatine, and radium, and gold, and protactinium, and indium, and gallium, and iodine, and thorium, and thulium, and thallium. There's yttrium, ytterbium, actinium, rubidium, and boron, gadolinium, niobium, iridium, and strontium, and silicon, and silver, and samarium, and bismuth, lithium, beryllium, and barium. Isn't that interesting? I hope you're all paying attention. There's going to be a short quiz later on. There's holmium and helium and hafnium and erbium and phosphorus and francium and fluorine and terbium and manganese and mercury and molybdenum and magnesium, dysprosium and scandium and cerium and cesium and lead, praseodymium and platinum, plutonium, palladium, promethium, potassium, polonium and tantalum, technetium, titanium, tellurium and cadmium and calcium and chromium and curium. There's sulfur, californium, and fermium, berkelium, and also mendelevium, einsteinium, nobelium, and argon, krypton, neon, radon, and zinc, and rhodium, and chlorine, carbon, cobalt, copper, tungsten, tin, and sodium. These are the only ones of which the news has come to Harvard. And there may be many others, but they haven't been discovered.
Welcome to
equals MC squared.
MC squared.
This is Chemical Charlie
This is
over
Pie Guy
here
Pepin.
and Pie Guy Pepin. And we're going to do conversions today. We're going to start with a simple example, miles, converting 5 miles to inches. And then we're going to convert miles per hour to feet per second.
On equals mc2 question and answers. Okay, so now we're on just regular equals mc2. So now we have conversions using the factor label method is our topic today. And the question is convert 5 miles to inches. The hint of the day is 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. So let's start with what we have, 5 miles.
Okay. And now the 5 miles we're going to convert to feet, but we know that there's 5,280 feet per mile.
So we put 5,280 on top.
We got feet, and now we want to go to inches, and we know that there's 12 inches in 1 foot, and what goes on top?
12 inches over 1 foot, and then we get 316,800 inches. Okay, so now we get all the stuff canceling each other out. So miles cancel out miles, feet cancel out feet, and we're left with inches.
Very good.
So now we have the convert. Now we have E equals MC squared question.
And answer.
Okay, so this one is
Converting miles per hour, 10 miles per hour to feet per second.
Okay, so the first question is why?
Okay. And
to learn about conversions.
Right. All right. So let's start with our 10 miles per hour.
So now we have...
And let's convert the miles to what?
To feet.
Okay. And since the miles is on the top, we want the feet to be on the top.
So 5,280 feet per 1 mile.
Okay.
So now how do we get rid of the hour?
The hours is on the denominator at the bottom. So we want to have 1 hour on the top in our conversion for every 60 minutes. And that converts per hour to per minute.
Yeah, but we already did put something after the 10 miles per hour.
Well, we put it on the same line, right?
Right.
Okay, now we've got per minute, but we want per second. And so we're going to put 1 hour, 1 minute in every 60 seconds, 1 minute over 60 seconds. And that will give us per second. And since we already have feet, we'll have feet per second.
Yeah, but did you notice that for some of these, we have 1 over 60?
And others we have the big number on the top.
Yeah, so the big number is always on the top.
Yeah, remember that.
E equals MC squared question.
And answer.